Welcome, and thank you for joining this tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to add filters in SAP Business One web client. This is a simple but very useful function that helps you quickly narrow down the information you need. As an example, we will add filters to the sales quotations. However, this process works in the same way for many other table views as well, such as invoices, items, business partners, and more. To begin, please click the Sales tab in the page navigation. Now, please press the Sales Quotation tile. This will open the overview of all quotations. You now see the overview of all quotations. If you do not see this view yet, please watch the previous videos where you learned how to select predefined views. To continue, press Adapt Filters. Next, click into the Search for Filters field. In our example, we will search for the parameter printed, because we want to filter the documents by whether they have been printed. After typing the search term, the list is filtered to the matching filter options. You should now see printed in the results. Please press the checkbox next to printed to add this filter. Now press the X icon to remove the entered value from the search bar. This allows you to search for other filters if needed. You can now add more filters if you want. In our example, this one filter is enough. To save your selection, press OK. The filter for printed has now been added to the filter section. You can see that it is available and ready to be used. We have successfully added a filter in SAP Business One web client. The playlist shows more standard functions of the SAP Business One web client. Please watch the previous videos to understand how the views and navigation work. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials, like if this was useful, and thank you for watching. Enjoy your experience.